Yo! Good morning from GAT. Probably last year, 2025. Yo, boys. So sick seeing everybody out here. Real actual car enthusiasts. But last night got a little hectic. Jimmy's got absolutely destroyed by a bunch of random people who've probably never been here before and probably didn't even bring a car themselves. And it's just sad, man. It's sad. That's actually sick. I was supposed to have this car loaded onto a trailer at 9:30 in the morning, and it's now 11, but I was also texted, hey, we'll be there a little late. And I got texted about 10 minutes ago, we're here. So that's where we're at. Car's packed. Anything I forgot, I can hopefully put in the TT, but I should have gotten this thing ready yesterday, but I don't know, it just didn't happen, so. Yep, I forgot something. We're on the road, Jack, and hopefully no traffic because we are still 20 minutes out from where we need to be. We love Greg. We don't want to make Greg wait any longer, so we are gonna roll through the stop sign. We're gonna stop this stop sign. We ain't gonna roll this bitch, and hop on the strip, drive the strip, get through the strip, Walmart, load, send the car on its way. Yo, this thing's sick. Static Cadillac, bro. I got the turd to the trailer. Gore Logistics. About to load me up, load the Mustang up, and they're heading back north. I am Mustang. Greg's grabbed me a 10 mil. We love this guy.
10 mil socket company.
Dude, that's absolutely amazing. Ty got me a zip tie, but car is now on the trailer, about to load up the Mustang. Vinny's on the way to grab the seat, bring me back to the B&B. It's a busy day, Ty. It's a busy day.
Very busy day.
Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! If y'all need anything hauled, I swear, this is your guy right here. Gore fucking Logistics, minus the fucking. All right? Gore Logistics, hit him up. That's my boy. That's my guy. Came and got me last year, last minute. This year bought a trailer. You bought a trailer.
I bought a single trailer, traded for a 3-car trailer, then I traded for this trailer.
Just so Alex could fit on the trailer better.
Yep.
We love Greg. The GOAT. The bestest.
I make promises, I keep them.
You do keep them. Mm-hmm. We're actually out this time. Keep her safe.
I will.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Sweet, safe trip.
I will. Wait, yeah.
Don't speed.
Oh, 65.
Right lane 65.
Right lane 65.
Keep the dust off her. She's a good girl. I didn't watch it not one time down here. Vinny and I got the rest of the 3/4 inch hose. Now we're gonna go save the day and fix the TT, because without this, we can't drive at 700 miles home. This is my crankcase vent. Car's fully loaded up. I checked my oil. I created this. I literally just did the OEM system, but we just got rid of the metal pipe that goes here, but it goes right back into the same fitting. And this should be good for a ride home. I'm not too concerned about it. It looks good. I'm happy with it, and the engine will breathe. Let me do this, and then we're good. Oh, I also checked the oil, and it was sitting at a good height, but I added just a little bit of Hot Shot. If you guys want to buy Hot Shot, if you have a diesel, or if you even want to run it in your gas car, because they do have gas car oils, code TILTED will get you 10% off. So that's pretty cool. TT drives absolutely amazing. No issues. We're stoked there. We're actually loaded down, ready to go. Only thing left to do is load Brett up onto this trailer, which I honestly didn't even realize was so nicely set up. Brett actually just fully redid his personal trailer, which is great. I haven't even seen this thing yet. It was parked behind the truck all week, so y'all might have seen it in the vlogs, but yeah, no, it looks good. Car's up, took 2 seconds. Brett's about to finagle his way out of here with his damaged head. I don't know if y'all saw, but Brett smashed his head in the van last night.
Yeah, I was leaking a little bit.
And yeah, you know, a little screw to the dome. How do y'all close the windows?
Automatic.
Like my Mark 6s, that's nice.
Yes, basically. up.
How do you turn it off? Just take the battery off? No way. I'll put my hand there. All right. You're good.
I need.
Pull it out. You're good. Complete.
She's on the trailer.
Bumper on, trailer on, ready to fucking go home.
Ready to hit the road, dude.
Hit the road, dude. This is private property.
Jones.
Hubert Jones. I had to come back and lock the B&B door. Goodbye, Airbnb. Brett's fully loaded up. I forgot my merch on the pool table. I came back once for that already, but I had to drive home, parachute mount in tow. I'm excited, bro. Fucking, it's been a good trip. Idiots came, they destroyed. Now I'm going home with y'all. Ride should be like 12, 13 hours. Well, it should be like 10, but we're going a couple people deep, so I don't know. Gonna stop at Buc-ee's, get some fuel. Let's get there. We're on the road, dude. This is private property. Fire. First fuel stop. I don't know if I'm empty, I don't know if I'm full. We're about to find out. Subscribe so I can afford gas. I got Starbucks, I got Gatorade, I got Slim Jims, and this thing only took 5 gallons. I think it's good. I think it's full. I put 10 gallons in it the other day and only drove around like maybe 30 miles, so makes sense. Say what's up to the vlog. It's good. Hell yeah, brother. Be safe. Sir. Those are sweet. Race car? Of course. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. More cars. MR2's pretty sweet. Oh, an 8.6. Heck yeah, that's sick. Yeah, we're filling up fuel. Good boy.
Here. See this?
No.
That's like me going into Alex.
Yo, don't tell him. Don't tell him. Bro, I stopped at this marathon in the middle of... Are we in Virginia?
Yeah, somewhere in Virginia.
Bro, Isaiah hangs his head out the window and goes, yo, tilted TDI. I thought he was on his way home from Gat, but you're just local.
Yeah, bro.
That's fucking... And he's getting the hat. So sick, bro. I appreciate you. PCV repairs holding up really good. No leaks, no nothing. Still in lit mode. I don't know what that's about, but we rolling. Yes, dude! Yes, dude! Update, we made 100 more miles into Virginia. I found a squatted truck. God damn, brother. Carolina, it's actually not squatted, but we're ripping, dude. I found a Stance Mustang.
In 2 miles, continue onto I-81 north toward Roanoke.
There's our boy. That rig looks crazy. stuck in traffic right now, somewhere in Virginia, but thankfully we're going downhill. I'm in first gear, foot is off the clutch, going 4 miles an hour. It could be worse. I could be going up a hill, and we could be stopping every 3 seconds, so. We pulled over the side of the road for a piss.
Take a shit on the side of the road.
Oh, took a shit.
Yup.
Yup! Yup!
Stay.
State property!
This is private property.
Yo, this is what having a race car is all about. I do have a crooked wheel, but I have an amazing alignment. I love it. We're rolling back up on owner. His setup is so sick. Mark IV R32, 3rd gen. Body! Oh, it's so good. So big bodies are cruising right now. Seen so many cool cars that I haven't put on camera, but once in a while I'll pull the camera out. This buddy up here's got some pretty big tilt, and we're about 400 miles out from Tennessee, so these boys are doing good. What the hell? That thing was swaying a second ago. I'm getting past that shit. Last year, this is where we found out that our trailer had bad axles somewhere around here. We pulled over on the side of the road. They were like on fire. There it is, the sign for the motel we stayed at. We stayed on their parking lot grounds with the trailer and then unloaded in the morning. There's the Motel 6. I just filmed all that in slow-mo, but there's the Motel 6 that we stayed at last year in their parking lot. It's the sketchiest Motel 6 ever on the planet. We pulled up to Buc-ee's, get some food, lots of coffee. That's all I know right now. Filling up at Buc-ee's. Owner just pulled up with the rig. That thing's screaming, buddy. Beautiful.
Single cab, 11 hours is crazy, bro.
Bro, supposedly this thing only took 7.9 gallons.
Trucks aren't allowed here.
Bro, I'm not fitting in on this at all.
Bro, I think your car needs a Viagra.
So, yo, that shit is so gas, bro. Yo, Paulo.
What?
This is private property.
Stay!
Stay!
Hey! Fucking tired. Fuck this drive. No, this one, leave the toe out on this one.
Bro,
It's got rear.
this motherfucker hit the curve.
Bro, he got bad alignment. Look at snacks.
Yeah, look at a good boy in his hoodie. Look
Bro, I
good.
slept in this shit every day.
Really?
It's fucking
so
epic.
comfortable.
Over this one.
Look what I got, though. Look at that fucking rainbow piece. Bro, you want one? Here.
No idea.
Yo, y'all like beaver nuggets or what?
Oh, I actually hate them. I just like bugs. Yucky.
He's actually reselling them when he gets home.
I know, $10 a bag.
Fucking dang.
Bro, Buc-ee's, if y'all haven't been, you gotta go. All the snacks, my boy. I'm about to drop a bag at Buc-ee's. He's a fucking fanboy. Yo, can you sign my hoodie, dude?
I actually can. With my fucking cock.
You signed my car already.
Yeah, I'll sign your cock. My personal section. Palos. Palos, not Palo, Palo.
Thank you for pronouncing it right. I really do
Yeah, doing it for the
appreciate
camera.
that.
I don't want people, when they see you in public, you know, and fangirl over you.
We really just went to Buc-ee's and we got quite a bit of food. Had the Buc-ee's experience, really. Got mad. Got to experience buses. Contributing to America's obesity problem. Aw.
Perfect.
Perfect gap.
Perfect gap.
Perfect gap. You beaver. Tell me, are we eating this in the truck or are we just going to eat off the tailgate?
You want a sandwich that you don't want? I'm hungry.
This shit. Buc-ee's.
Mine has been 90%. Look at those bites. It's all fat. But it's been good. Yeah. Gassington. My car made it to Buc-ee's. Greg!
Hey, I caught up to you.
I'm so happy and I'm so hungry and I'm so tired.
I am too.
Oh!
Whoa! I didn't see you there.
You like that transition?
Yeah, you like that? You like that?
Gore Logistics. Hit him up if you need to get a tow across the country. He's bringing truck to SEMA. What date?
Leaving October 27th.
So he's not available from the 27th to the...
Oh, November 8th.
Deep. He's not available any of those days,
Nope.
all right? Big SEMA guy.
Big SEMA guy. Hell yeah.
We're back at the apples. This is my landmark every time. I love the apples. Oh, I got it. Oh no, I missed it. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck. Hey now. Hey now. We in West Virginia. We in West Virginia. Yay, yay. This thing's about 600 miles from Gatwood Hill. It's making the drive. I have developed a slight exhaust leak. I also just stopped to observe the scenery. AKA I took a pit. We're in PA for one more mile. We found a Sunoco. It's actually Ultra 94. It's $1 more than I paid at Buc-ee's, but just drove 290 miles without stopping. And we're about to see how good I did on MPGs. I'm freaking tired. Wow. Oh my gosh, I forgot Blake freaking polished this in the last vlog. Look at how different that is. That's crazy. It's the cleanest part in the car now, and it was like the dirtiest. But all right, we still had 6 gallons left, which means we were doing 27 miles to the gallon just about. That's crazy. Yes, sir. I still can't get over this, bro. If you guys missed the last vlog, go check it out after this. My buddy Blake polished my destroyed paint. I mean, you could tell the paint's destroyed in this whole car. But we were like, yo, let's try to polish this, and we did. I think I've had too many of these. I've had 4 of these on the drive. 1 of these. And a couple Slim Jims. Little foggy, buddy. Little foggy. I made it back 1:50 in the morning. I didn't do that. I don't know. Somebody used my tools while I was gone. Doesn't matter. I'm tired.